What's up, beautiful Reds Mafia members? As we're doing this beautiful 24-hour Japanese A5 Wagyu brisket smoke, I'm going to go ahead and take a lot of those trimmings that you saw in the previous videos, and I'm going to convert them into a brisket, jalapeno and cheddar with about 15% pork, and I'm going to show you how I do it on my limb, so stick around, guys. You've always wanted to know how sausage was made. Well, Red's going to show you. I'm going to use some beautiful brisket. I'm going to use jalapenos. I'm going to use salt. I'm going to use Hungarian smoked paprika. I will also be utilizing the Japanese A5 Wagyu fat that I just chopped up, and pork loin as some of my pork. High temp cheddar cheese. Links down to the description of what I'm using and where you can find them is in the show more, along with the quantities that I'll be using. So I'm just going to throw it in there. Let's get this meat ground up. Let's get it processed. Let's get the casings in there, because tomorrow I'm going to smoke them, which is why I'm not putting curing salt. I'm going to smoke them immediately. Thanks, guys. And if you like this sort of thing, smash that like button. Join old Red also by subscribing in this journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue. And I will show you how to make sausage. When you make sausage, guys, you're going to want to make sure that you're going using your machine parts here that are frozen. Put it in the freezer. It's going to help process the meat a lot quicker. Let's go ahead and start by adding the meat. Let's go ahead and add the pork. Now let's go ahead and add the Wagyu fat. Good. And just to make sure we got it all out of there, guys, I'm going to add a little bit more pork. Make sure we get all of that good Wagyu. And just like that, guys, we've processed all of the meat. Let's take a quick look. There we go. It was that easy. What I'll do now is I'll get the rest of this out of here, get it cleaned up. Then I'm going to add the spices, and then we're going to get it all mixed up, and we'll keep going, guys. Stay with us. We're going to add our salt. May seem like a lot of salt, but you do need it. The smoked Hungarian paprika. And of course, the high temperature cheese. Mix it in there real good, guys. This is gonna make just over 5 pounds, 5.5 pounds of sausage. Do this for the next 5 minutes. Get it all worked in. Now we're going to feed one end, and it always helps if you kind of wet this down a little bit. So after you've washed it out, I've also had this sitting in cold water for a while to help clean it off, get all those salts off of it. And then you gently put it on and you start to find the sweet spot to where you can pull it on nice and easy. I'm going to go ahead and tie it off in a knot and then puncture a hole. You can also leave that open and then do it, but I prefer to do it this way. This is a 5-pound canister. We'll probably get the majority of this in here. Maybe what I'll do is 3/4, that way I can have a little bit more when I stuff the next one. There we go. Because the girlies go she when they see me. Going to attach. See that? Now you're going to hold it in place. See the air bubble is going to help out. Hold it in place till you get the desired amount you want filled. And then start letting it go. Nice and easy. Don't overstuff it. Nice and easy. So if you ever have a blowout like I did here because this was getting stuck, no big deal, no reason to get all worked up. Simply take more off, tie another knot, like so. It's the beauty of sausage. It doesn't have to be perfect. Make another hole. Just like so. Tiny little cut. And here, what I'll do is I'll pinch this off so I've got enough room to take all of this out, tie a knot, give it some room for expansion. If you ever wanted to see what your sausage is going to taste like, take a little bit of this, put it in a pan, and go ahead and fry it up real quick. Take out a lot of this air by pushing this down. You can even punch a little hole in there. You see it go down, that way when you cook it, it won't blow up on you. And this will have all night long to kind of recuperate, relax. Now you're going to tie another knot right there. Perfect. So guys and gals, as you can see, I am no expert sausage maker by any means whatsoever. I just learn as I go. I follow a bunch of people. I create my own recipe, and I hope you guys enjoy. This looks beautiful. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. We'll know tomorrow as we film the entire ultimate brisket experience. This is going to be part of it. The 11 pounds of Wagyu fat I used in here. So every single bit of that animal is respected by your boy Red, and we're gonna make sure that she gets smoked up beautifully. And go ahead, hit that like button for me guys one more time, and subscribe to on this journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue. Down below, comment, tell me what you think about my sausage making abilities. It's not perfect, but I would love to hear what you got to say. You guys be good. Thank you so much for helping me achieve my goal, or on my way to achieve my goal of 2,020 Reds Mafia members by the end of 2019. Peace out.
And the cypress